you? How is everything? Our lesson today, lesson 21, pictograph. Let's answer activity number 1 to understand the pictograph. Use the following pictograph to form a paragraph, then answer the questions. This is a pictograph, shows the reading books during last year by Omar's family. Let's see, Omar. How many books in front of Omar? First, in a pictograph, you have to read the key, the last sentence in the slide. Each book represents 10. Each half book represents 5. So, here we will count by 10. And when we find half book, we will count as 5. Like here. In front of Omar, 10, 20, and half book. So it considered 5. 20 and 5 is what? 25. So Omar read 25 book last year. Omar's mom 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5. So it's 45. Omar's dad 10, 20, and 5 too, so it's 25. Omar's sister 10, 20. So let's make this pictograph as a paragraph, a normal paragraph. First, Omar, read how many books. Look at the pictograph and tell me. Excellent, 25 book. Shadow up to Omar, up to 25. Mom reads 45, excellent. And Dad reads 25 too, like Omar. And sister reads 20. And this is a normal paragraph. So we convert from pictograph to a paragraph. Let's answer the questions. Question A. Who read the most books last year? Which one? Omar, mom, dad, sister? Mom. Excellent. How many books did mom read? Look at the numbers of books. 45. Excellent. How many books did Omar read? More than dad. More than, which means we will subtract. Omar books minus dad books, which is equal 25 minus 25, which is 0. They are equal. Both of them read 25 books. So, how many books did Omar's sister read? How many? Look at the graph. 20. Excellent, primary 2. Do you understand our question? Excellent. Activity number 2. Use the following pictograph to form a paragraph, then answer the question. This is a pictograph, shows the data collected by Lara about the pets of her colleagues in the school. So we will know here how many students like cat, and how many students like turtle, and how many students like fish and dog. So each star here represents 10 of her colleagues, and each half star here represents 5 of her colleagues. So the number of stars represents the number of Lara's colleagues. Look at the cat. How many students here like the cat? 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many one like fish? 10, 20, 30. And how many students like turtle? 25. 10, 20, and 5, which is 25. How many like dogs? 10 and 5, which is 15. Excellent. Okay, now let's make a paragraph according to the previous pictograph. How many students like dogs? Look at the pictograph. Excellent! It's 40. No, no, no. Okay, my lovely primary 2. Answer the following questions. How many colleagues of Lara's colleagues like turtle? 25. Excellent. Get the answer from the graph. How many colleagues like fish? Look at the fish. 30. 30 students like fish. How many colleagues like dogs? 15. Excellent. And how many colleagues like cats more than turtles? Cats more than turtles means cats minus turtles. 40 minus 25 equals, who can tell me? Yes, 15. Excellent. How many colleagues like cat more than fish? Here we will make cat minus fish. 40 minus 30 equals 10. Excellent. Which pet is the most favorite pet in the school? The most students who like it. Cats, excellent. There are 40 students, 40 colleagues like cats. Which pet is the least favorite in the school? Which has the least number of colleagues? Dogs, excellent. Now here is your home activity. Here is a pictograph, don't forget. Each star represents 10 and each half star represents 5. Make the previous pictograph here on the paragraph and answer the questions. Now let's answer more activities on pictograph. Activity number 1. Let's see here. This pictograph showed the number of sales of musical instruments last week. We have here a piano, trumpet, drums, and violin. How many violin have been sold last week? Each star here, represents 10 violin or 10 musical instruments, and each half represent 5. So we will count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5. 40 and 5 equals 45. So 45 violin has been sold last week. The drums. How many drums sold? 10, 20, 30. 30, excellent. And how many trumpet? 10, 20, and 5, which is 25. And finally, the piano. How many? Only 10. Let's make this pictograph. Here we want to write the label here and here. What we will write here? The numbers of musical instruments which is sold. Like this. We will write the numbers on the graph and we will write it by 10 because we have a scale of 10. Because each star represents 10 and each half represents 5. We can write it 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, or we can write it 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 as a scale of 5. Then we will write the names of musical instruments. First, violin. Second one is what? Drums and trumpet, excellent, and piano. and write here number of cells and here musical instruments. Let's see the violin. How many violin is sold? 45. Excellent. And the drums? How many is sold? 30. Yes. And the trumpet? 25. Make it like here between 20 and 30 because it's 25. Piano? Only 10. Do you got it, primary 2? Excellent. Okay, answer the following. How many trumpet sold last year? 25. Excellent. Last week, how many piano has been sold? Complete. 10. Excellent. How many violins have been sold? 45. Yes. Complete the next. Question D. There are what drums sold last year? Which means how many drums? 30 drums. Excellent. How many violins sold? More than drums. More than means minus. Let's make violins minus drums. 45 minus 30 equals 15. Excellent. And here is your home activity. It's a pictograph about the weather during days of the winter. How many days are sunny? How many days are cloudy, windy, and rainy? And don't forget, we count by 10 because each star represents 10 and each half represents 5. Make it here and don't forget to write the label and the number of days, then answer the questions. Like this. Okay, my lovely students. See you next session. Goodbye.